membrane switches can also be incorporated into flexible circuits as shown here. And in this case, you can see a stainless steel dome that's been placed above two conductive traces on the flexible circuit, and there's a compressive tactile feedback dome that shorts out those conductors, providing electrical switch action there. The conductors that are under the membrane switch are typically plated in gold so that there's not a oxidation that builds up on the conductors, so we get long-term reliability from the switch. And the dome itself is typically taped in place with Kapton or polyester tape.